Ever feel like your ad campaigns could be performing better? Today, we're leveling up your advertising game by learning how to track those critical conversion events directly with Google Tag Manager, making your data more accurate and your campaigns more effective. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to get your Google Ads conversion tracking tag. Head over to your Google Ads account, and from the main menu, select Conversions. Under Measurement, click the plus sign to create a new conversion action. Here, choose your conversion type. This could be anything from website purchases to phone calls or form submissions. For this, let's choose website. Then, name your conversion action something descriptive, like purchase website. Carefully enter the URL of your website and click Scan. Set your conversion value, select the counting method, and establish the attribution model that best fits your business goals. Click Save and Continue. You'll then receive your conversion ID and conversion label, which you'll need for the next steps. Now, jump into Google Tag Manager. Create a new tag by clicking New. In the Tags section, select Google Ads Conversion Tracking as your tag type. Paste the conversion ID and conversion label you just copied from Google Ads into the corresponding fields in Tag Manager. Add any other relevant settings, like conversion value and currency. Next, you need to set up a trigger. Click on the Trigger section and select a trigger type. Your trigger choice will depend on your tracking needs. For example, if you want to track a purchase, you are most likely to choose the Page View trigger. Choose a trigger like Page View to trigger the tag on a specific page or pages. Configure the trigger to fire when the desired conversion event is triggered. For example, set the trigger to fire the tag on the confirmation page after a purchase. Finally, save your tag. Once you've set up your tag and trigger, make sure to test it by going to Preview mode in Tag Manager. Double-check that the tag fires correctly when the conversion event happens. Once you've confirmed everything is working in the Preview mode, submit your changes to publish your changes. Boom, you've installed your conversion tracking correctly. Good luck.